Today I'm cooking Thai fried kway teow, or in Thai we call it pad see ew. It is a common one-dish meal that is easily available in Thailand restaurants. This recipe is for 2 servings. The ingredients needed are 350 grams of Thai rice noodle, we call it kway teow sen yai. See how big the noodle is. I got this from the Thai ingredient shop. 130 grams of kai lan, washed, cut with the stem and the leaf separated. 150 grams of pork shoulder, thin slice. 2 chicken eggs. 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. 1 tablespoon of sugar. Half tablespoon of salt. Half tablespoon of pepper. Quarter teaspoon of sesame oil. Half tablespoon of light soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce, half teaspoon of pineapple juice squeezed from this small piece of pineapple, and 2 tablespoons of chopped garlic. Start with marinating the pork. Put all the pork slices in a bigger plate and add in 1/8 teaspoon of pepper, 1/8 teaspoon of salt, 1/8 teaspoon of sugar, and half tablespoon of oyster sauce. Squeeze the pineapple juice and mix until well combined or until the ingredients and meat are well incorporated. Leave it aside. Next, prepare the kway teow. Put the kway teow in a larger plate. Add in all dark soy sauce, light soy sauce, sesame oil, and all of the oyster sauce. Mix well until the kway teow is well coated with seasoning. Leave it aside. Next, blanch the vegetable. Use boiling water and basin filled with ice water. Add the salt in hot boiling water. Put in all of the kai lan stem and cook it for 45 seconds. After 45 seconds, the kai lan stem should be about 80% cooked. Add in the kai lan's leaf. Continue to cook for 1.5 minutes. Remove kai lan from hot water and put them into cold water. This is to shock the vegetables and stop the cooking process so that the vegetable will stay crunchy and green. Immediately strain out the cold water and leave it aside. Next, cook the kway teow. Switch on the heat, add in cooking oil, and wait until the oil is hot. Add in garlic and stir fry for about 2 minutes or until garlic is brown and crispy. Remove the crispy garlic and some oil from the pan. Leave them aside. In the same pan, add in marinated pork slices. Stir fry for about 1.5 minutes or until the pork slices have changed color and no more blood comes out from the meat. After 1 minute, the pork slices are cooked and the pan is dry. Add in the garlic oil that we have kept, 2 chicken eggs. Stir to cook the eggs for about 30 seconds. Add in the kway teow, mix for 30 seconds. Add in the pepper and sugar. Continue to mix and cook for about 45 seconds or until the kway teow is soft. Now I can give it a taste. It tastes good. At this time, more seasoning can be added as preferred, but for this, it's already perfect. Add in the kai lan and stir until well mixed. Switch off the heat, add in some crispy fried garlic and stir. A couple of stir and it is ready. Very simple and fast. This is best served immediately once it is cooked, while the noodles are still hot. Dish out and serve. Garnish with crispy fried garlic. And we are done. Let's eat! Oh wow, really good. The kway teow is tasty and smooth. The pork shoulder is soft and very tender. And the vegetables are crunchy. These ingredients are really well combined. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed the video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye.